Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by collecting quick baselines so you know what you measure. You charge the phone to about 80–100% and turn off battery optimizers so power management won't skew results. Next, install benchmarking tools for CPU, GPU, storage, and network. That gives quantifiable metrics. Make sure to note ambient temperature and close background apps. That isolates variables. Once done, take a screenshot of system info and available storage. You'll need it to compare before and after changes. You now execute the detailed tests that reveal real performance. Start with CPU single and multicore tests, repeating each test 3 times to average out variance. This shows sustained versus burst performance. Then run GPU stress and 3D rendering sequences to expose thermal throttling and frame time stability. For storage, run sequential and random I/O tests and measure app cold and warm launch times. Make sure to log every run with timestamps so you can correlate drops with temperature. Finish by analyzing trends and applying fixes. You compare averaged scores and look for anomalies like more than 10% deviation between runs or plateauing scores that indicate throttling. If results are poor, reproduce the failing test in safe mode or a clean profile to rule out apps. Once done, try quick fixes. Clear app caches, update firmware and drivers, then test again. If performance still lags, a factory reset can help. If problems persist, check for hardware faults or overheating as the likely culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.